pal. Oh, kinsa na ako play. Si Ma'am Ma'am Waray nun. When my time comes. 99. I'm gonna play her again. This 4 minutes. Okay, you should visit Lucia Vuitton. Is her main channel. That one is just her existing account. Tama ba? Is my English right? Hey! Mag-i-end na po tayo, guys. Another one. This will be 100. Shorts. When my time comes, I can't, but I subscribe. The one done. Oh my God. Guys, pa-support naman yung ating yung friend natin dyan. He is promoting his friend. Na 100. Oh yeah, bebe. Ma'am Lucia, mag-i-end na po tayo, Ma'am Lucia. Salamat sa imong mga tambay. Thank you tayo. Last one. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. Okay, Little Hungry Girl, Little Nightmares, Part 1. 101. Like and bingoy, bingoy, bingoy. Okay, it's now 101, okay? So, I'm gonna end, guys. It's 1 a.m. here, so I'm gonna end. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Oh, Mami. Bye-bye. Ma'am Lucia. Thank you, family. Yeah, thank you also for coming here. Thank you, guys. My Pixel Artist Builder. Yun. Thank you. I'm done connected with you, okay? We're already connected. When my time comes. Thanks for coming. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Advance Happy New Year to all. Thank you, guys. Mag-i-end na po ako. I'm gonna end. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. I think this is my last night. I hope not. I'm just kidding. It's 5 hours, guys. So I'm gonna end. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys, for staying. Ma'am Lucia, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Advance Happy New Year to all. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Ma'am Lucia, mag-i-end na ako, Ma'am Lucia. Mainit. Nagugutom na ako. I'm so very hungry. Thank you. Ma'am Lucia, mag-i-end na tayo, Ma'am Lucia. Thank you. Kita yung muscle ko. Salamat, guys. Thank you so much. Ma'am Lucia, mag-i-end na ako, Ma'am Lucia. Thank you. 5 hours and 1 minute and 23 seconds na po ako. And 5 years. Ma'am Lucia, salamat Bye-bye, guys. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye-bye. My mom. Shop. Bye. Ma'am Lucia, salamat kayo. Boss Phil. Sir MMD. Salamat sa inyo. Sir Lico. Idol Lupin. Uy, hindi ko na si Idol Lupin pa. Patay ako nito. Baka patayin ako ni Idol Lupin. Joke. Ma'am Lucia, mag-i-end na tayo, Ma'am Lucia. Thank you. Salamat. Hindi ko na si Idol Lupin. Nandito siya kanina. Wait lang. Nandito si Idol Lupin kanina. Baka nga nagtambay yun Hindi ko lang alam. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.